Alright, folks, gather round for a tale of shiny metal, sleek curves, and soap. Yes, you heard me right, soap. We're diving into the world of Tesla's Cybertruck recall, where cleanliness is not next to godliness but next to a potential collision. So, here's the scoop. Tesla, in all its electric glory, decided to recall every single Cybertruck from 2024. Why? Well, apparently, there's this shiny plastic pad chillin' on top of the accelerator pedal. But hold on to your seats, because this innocent-looking pad has a wild side. It likes to wander off and play hide-and-seek within the interior trim while you're cruising down the road. And you know what that means? Increased risk of a collision. Talk about a not-so-fun game of bumper cars. Now, how did this pedal pad decide to go rogue, you ask? Blame it on the soap. Yep, the Sudsy culprit was used during the manufacturing process to make it easier to attach the pad to the pedal. But instead of sticking around like a loyal sidekick, it decided to make a break for it, leaving drivers in a sticky situation. But fear not, fellow road warriors, Tesla's got our backs. They're swooping in to save the day by replacing or reworking the accelerator pedal assembly, all on the house. And for those of you eagerly awaiting your Cybertruck delivery, rest assured that the fix will be applied before you rev up and hit the streets. Now, let's talk numbers, because who doesn't love a good numerical breakdown? We're looking at a whopping 3,878 Cybertrucks affected by this Sudsy saga, all manufactured between November 13th and April 4th. And if you're wondering how this Sudsy soap opera unfolded, let me paint you a timeline. It all started with a customer reporting a stuck accelerator on March 31st. 2 days later, Tesla's engineers dove into the data logs and confirmed the pedal predicament. Fast forward to April 3rd, another report rolls in, and by April 12th, Tesla's engineering superheroes decided it was time to ring the recall bell. So, there you have it, folks, a tale of soap, suds, and a Cybertruck on the run. Remember, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, but when it gives you soap, maybe stick to car washes instead of accelerator pedal assemblies. Drive safe out there, and may your Cybertrucks stay firmly on the road where they belong.